Today is Thursday, December the 10th of 2020. We decided that we wanted to do a little small getaway. We brought a special guest. His name is Bandit.
Look where we at. We're at the Getaway. The place is called Alexander. Let me show y'all how clean it is outside. Inside. We got the kitchen. We have this little stovetop. We got a fridge. They were so nice where they got us some s'mores. Oh, says Karina, hope you enjoy your tiny sanctuary. Enjoy the s'mores on us. Oh, look, the s'more sticks. Cell phone lockbox. Our phones are going in here. And of course, the magic happens. And of course, the restroom. Normal toilet, there's an emergency kit and shower, which we have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So beautiful sanctuary to ourselves. We have a picnic table, we have 2 lawn chairs, and we'll be making our s'mores at tonight. Oh, wood. So, we're having chili. Yeah, making chili with beans. As you can see, there is enough room for you to cook. Have 2 people in here, and just look at this amazing window. There was people earlier hiking. We took our Christmas pictures on here, so let's see how good they're gonna turn out. First time making it.
Pretty good. Kudos.
S'mores time. This was complimentary from Getaway. They provided us 2 sticks, the graham crackers. What kind of chocolate? Oh, it's milk chocolate. Bandies. I think my marshmallows needed a little bit longer. Yeah, because my chocolate's not melted.
And this is mine. As you can see, mine ain't really melted as well. The chocolate's not melted. But don't worry, improvise. Oh, well good. Kudos. Cheers. Oh. Getaway, this is perfect. I highly recommend this place. It's awesome.